You know what I'm saying? What's up, Trevor? Oh, you want to say something?
760-825-0966. Call on in. Get some of this Meet the OGs. Get some. You heard it, Raw Radio fans. You heard them. Come on, call in. Get some.
Raw Radio. We got Meet the OGs. Y'all better be ready for this. Go ahead. Tell y'all pass the mic.
Yo.
Y'all been here before, you know what I'm saying? We on
Raw Radio.
You know what I'm saying? History and all that. We good right here, Raw Radio. We gotta meet the OGs.
Yes,
Raw Radio.
sir.
What's going on, man? Tell them who it is and what's going on.
Richie Rich, man. Glad to be back up in the Raw Radio, man. I love the energy up in here, man. It's always so, man, it's so live, man. I love it, man. Drummer Cat in the building. What's up? What's happening?
Man,
we got the OGs in the building tonight. You know, man, got AD to my right. We got Talk Shizzle on the couch with the SF. Man, L Boog all the way in the back, man. You know, we got Jay Rooski right here, the crowd fade, man. You know, on the low. And man, we got this 420 project coming out. That's when it's dropping. A little EP. Rapping over a lot of Jay Dilla beats, man. We love Jay Dilla. Rest in peace to my man Dilla.
Yeah, okay.
Man, you know, Sacramento is a lot like Motown to me as far as, man, we just been grinding in this hip hop and haven't had a lot of respect. And
it is right now.
Man, Eminem is on the map though for Motown, and man, we got a lot of excitement going on in Sacramento with the music, man. So much. I'm gonna pass this mic though to my man AD, man. We got a lot to say tonight, and yeah, that's what's up, Rich. Man, thanks for having me, bro.
Man, this is love right here, man.
The OGs, thanks
we
for
getting
having
it in right here. Meet the OGs. Y'all ain't ready for this.
It's going down at the Raw Radio Show. It's AD of the group.
Hey, Dizzle.
Man, we got the group. It's called Meet the OGs, and we're gonna give it to you raw. We got a next EP out. It's called Dilla OG, and we got Sac's finest artists, right? Some good talent that we just about to bless you with some nice lyrics, also with beats. You know what I mean? We're gonna have it in your head, bobbing. Believe that. Real talk. But we just come to bless you with some good music. You know, we represent Sac, and we're gonna give it to you right. For real. But I'm gonna pass it over to my boy Talk Show, and he's gonna let you know what's going on.
Talk Show in the building, yo.
Hello, everybody. You working? Hello.
Working.
Yeah. Okay. It's a pleasure to be on this project. Like T-Breeze and AD, they actually got me back into rhyming. Like I've been retired. And so it was just a pleasure to get back into it, and the work that basically J. Rue and Boogie put into it. It's like we formed a whole new crew. So I'm just happy to be a part of it.
Man, I can appreciate it, man. I definitely appreciate this, man. And I'm glad y'all pushing, man, and doing this music thing.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? What's good with you?
J. Rue, the crowd fade. This is a project, man, we decided just to put together, you know what I'm saying? You know, we all blow tree, you know, we call it dispensary rap, you know, for people who got their script, if y'all know what I mean.
Right.
Gotta have a script.
Gotta have a script, you know what I'm saying? People who ain't got the script might not understand what we're talking about, you know, the different flavors that we blow on all the time, you know.
Right.
We OGs in the game, and you blow that OG.
For sure. That's for real.
And it's all positive. We don't curse. We
tell them this on the mic.
You guys don't curse at all?
Well, you know, you might hear a couple of curse words. You know,
maybe like what? Like ass?
We keep it clean.
Like can you say it on TV?
We talk about strictly about the tree, nothing else. You know, strictly about the tree. You know, it's 420.
Good,
you know, we dropping it on 420, little EP. Over some of Dilla's finest.
Yeah. So, you know, tell me a little bit about it. What's, you know, it's just, where is this coming from? You know, what really get y'all doing what y'all do? You know what I'm saying?
Well, we've been Dilla fans for the longest. You know, hearing his tracks, you know, all over everybody's stuff. You know, so you know, we just, you know, found some instrumentals that we love, and we put together, you know, we decided to, you know, put his name in it, you know, by representing him, by, you know, using his beats over some of the stuff that we did, and, you know, all we did was smoke while we was writing and creating, so we had to make it a weed album, you know.
Cause y'all heard the first couple of tracks right there, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was Papers and Vapes right there, that first track you guys
Yeah,
heard.
first track, yeah. Say that again?
Papers and Vapes. You know, that's for people that use papers and use vaporizers. So, you know, only the real people who know what I'm talking about know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? 420.
Yeah,
you know, y'all got anybody on there that, you know, might be featured? What kind of people y'all working with? You know,
well, you know, we got the original Meet the OGs crew, and, you know, we got a couple of people on there. Miss Mariana was on the Papers.
Yeah.
We got Aaron Carter on another track.
Yeah, shouts out.
We got Manila Stubbs, you know, we got him on the track. My boy Talk Show, my boy Deucey Nichols. And my boy Cheyenne. You know, we got a couple little.
Y'all put some work in, man.
Yeah, we put some major work in.
Yeah, that's appreciated, you know what I'm saying? You know, hot tracks. Y'all pushing them out there.
Hot tracks.
You know what I'm saying? Anything we can look forward to when it comes to, you know, meet the OGs, you know what I'm saying?
Well,
and that's gonna be something catchy right there.
Yeah, you know, this is just an EP for the people right now so they can hear us, you know, but we're gonna drop a full album, you know, 16 tracks, you know, maybe in a couple months.
Right. Just really put the grind in.
Oh, yeah.
They sound like
because those tracks is hot, man. I appreciate that, man, for y'all bringing that hot track out here.
Thank you.
Raw Radio, man. And you know, we're gonna play some music. That's what I'm at, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna drop another track for y'all, man.
Let's go, man. Tell me about it.
Yeah, this one's gonna be called Grinders and Grands. Got my boy Talk Show on there with us.
Right. Hot tracks, 916.
Dilla OG. Meet the OGs.
At the Raw Radio
Man,
show.
Raw Radio coming at you. Let's get low to this.
You like that? So funny.